All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their universal socket. Now, as you can kind of see from this photo here on the front, this is designed to go in and basically get a screw that, you can't really get out. Has 54 steel pings, company name there, nothing there, company name there, nothing there, and then the back is kind of just manufacturing information. This is a great gift idea for dads, men, etc. Something that they'd like at Father's Day, Christmas, their birthday. Guys like these tools like this. So I'm gonna slide it out, nothing else in the box. And then inside this foam is a little part to go into your drill. And then this is the actual thing itself. So see, like if I take this and put in here, it's able to grip it, to turn it. Very unique. That will really come in handy. And so of course this just slides down into here, locks in place. It's a 1/4, 3/4, 7mm to 19mm, and then this just goes on your drill and you'd be able to get out whatever screw you currently can't get out. So again, like I said, a very great gift idea for dads, and just something that can be helpful for the everyday tool man who might have that nail or screw that he can't get out. That'll do it for this little unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to us, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.